sure Natasha's lipstick camera features him.
So what's our double for Minnesota Fats got to do with this?
Looks like he's playing baccarat. That's a high-stakes money game. If our two Vicks were gambling, could be the reason they're robbed.
Yeah, by the looks of that 9mm, they were gambling with the wrong guy.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing an image search. I'm hoping he has a mugshot somewhere.
All right, while you're doing that, Doc and I are making progress.
All right, Cagney and Lacey, what do you got?
According to the GCMS, the chemicals on Natasha's feet show peaks for dihydroxyacetone, which is a skin-coloring agent mostly used in salons tanning.
Well, that explains the orange toes. But how many tanning salons are there in New York?
I got on the bottom of Boris's shoe, we found brown trace. Now, it's a combination of shredded beef, curry, and tomato sauce, which is also known as oxtail soup. We figured that Boris and Natasha were on foot before they ran into the thieves, right?
So we searched a 5-block radius from the crime scene, and you know what? 3 blocks away, there is a tanning salon.
Right next door to a Jamaican restaurant.
That sells oxtail soup?
Boom.
Friend of mine jogs in her bare feet. She keeps asking me to join her. I don't think so.
Well, analysis of our trace suggests our Vicks walked through this alley before